Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5 different Christmas cupcakes. So if you're making some cupcakes this year and you want some ideas, or if you want to make a huge variety, this is the perfect video for you. We're making Christmas tree cupcakes, a little Christmas light cupcake, Santa hat cupcakes, wreath cupcakes, and a peppermint swirl cupcake, which I think is so cute and it's really easy. So let's get started. So this video I'm just going to focus on how to decorate them, but if you would like a good vanilla cake and vanilla buttercream recipe, I'll have that video linked in the cards right here. Alright, so first we're making the tree cupcake. First you want to pipe a swirl of green buttercream onto the cupcake using a number 2D large star-shaped piping tip. And all the piping tips I use in this video will be linked down below, and they're going to be categorized for like which cupcake they're used in. So if you are new to cupcake decorating, or there's a piping tip that you want to buy, everything is linked below to make it super easy for you. Then you want to decorate it with some star sprinkles, which again are linked below, and a little gumball on the top. To make the Christmas light cupcake, you want to pipe a swirl of white buttercream onto the cupcake. Then pipe a string of black buttercream into the little like crevice, so I don't know what to call it, but the little like folds that are created when you're piping the swirl, pipe it in there, and it'll kind of make it look like the string is like tightly wrapped around the cupcake, if you get what I mean. Then stick some Christmas light shaped candies, or you can chop some M&Ms in half and use those. Just stick them onto the cupcake to look like Christmas lights, and there you go. Then to make the wreath cupcake, which is my favorite, oh my gosh, you want to cover the entire surface of the cupcake with some light buttercream. Then draw a circle in the buttercream with any kind of pointy utensil that you have. Then pipe dollops of some green buttercream along the circle. Then repeat, but pipe some on top. So this is going to give the wreath some dimension, and I think it looks so pretty, oh my god. Then you want to decorate it with some colorful candies. I use candy covered chocolate chips. And then you can just draw a ribbon onto the top of the wreath with some red buttercream. Then to make the Santa hat cupcake, pipe a swirl of red buttercream on top. Then pipe some white dollops around the perimeter of the red swirl, as well as 1 dollop on top. And so actually, I think last year for Christmas I made a very similar recipe for Taste Made, but I used mini Oreos and stuck them on the side so it looked like a Mickey Mouse Santa hat, which is kind of cute. So if you love Disney, that's a cool little trick. Alright, and last but not least, we're making a peppermint swirl cupcake. So first you want to get some red buttercream and spread it vertically onto the inside of an empty piping bag that you fitted with a large round piping tip. Then fill the rest of the bag with some white buttercream, and then squeeze everything down towards the tip, and just pipe it out, like squeeze it out a little bit until you see both colors coming out. Then just pipe it in a swirl onto a cupcake, and you'll see both colors swirl out, and it looks like a candy cane. I think it's so cool. But yeah, you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Let's head on to the giveaway that happens at the end of every video this month in December. So what you're going to win is a strawberry printed Kate Spade apron. So I'll have the actual like full photos up here. I seem to like put photos here when I'm editing. Anyways, so they're in their package. So I'm not going to take them out because I want this to be nice and fresh for you. But I actually have a matching one that I bought to wear in my videos, and I haven't worn it yet. So we can have matching aprons. So I think that this is so cute. And you're also going to be getting a little set of a Kate Spade oven mitt. So this is pineapple themed. And so there is, so you get a little oven, not an oven mitt, but the little, like a pan, I don't know. And you also get a full oven mitt here. The photo will be here. And you also get a tea towel that is pineapple pattern. So I think that these are so cute. You're also going to be getting, with every giveaway, everyone gets it because I'm just going to flood you with Panko Bunny merch. You're going to be getting one of my cookbooks, which is called Unicorn Food. It's a rainbow themed cookbook. Link below if you want to buy it for somebody for Christmas. I think it's a good present. But anyway, yes, they're going to get one of my cookbooks, a Panko Bunny tote bag, as well as a box of Panko Bunny truffles. So to enter, the emoji that you're going to need to include in your entry today is the pineapple emoji. Figured it's fitting. And all the giveaway details, like how to enter and everything like that, is going to be in the description box below. So definitely check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video.